सिंपल एज द टेस्ट ऑफ डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 2. यहाँ पे कंडीशन क्या है, जैसे हम टेस्ट ऑफ डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 2 के लिए लास्ट का डिजिट देख रहे थे. Over here we will see last two digits. For suppose if I say a number like 5019, you have to check two digits of the last, पीछे से दो digit. So I have 1 and 9 over here. So is this 19 divisible by 4 or not? That I will check. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 4 5s are 20, right? So over here what I have? I have 19. But 4 5s are how much? 4 5s are 20. So 19 and 20, right? There is no 16 and 20. There is no 19. Means what this number is not divisible by 4. If suppose I tell you a number like 408, last के दो digits को देखना है. So I'll take this two digits. If these two digits are divisible by 4, then I'll say the whole number is divisible by 4 itself. So what it is? 08. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Do I get 8? Means that 08? Yes. So this number is divisible by 4. Right? So simple as that. In test of divisibility by 2, we were checking only the last digit. And also in tens, divisibility by 10, in divisibility by 5, in divisibility by 2, we were checking the last digit. Over here, for divisibility by 4, you will check the last two digits. If the last two digits are divisible by 4, then the entire number is divisible by 4. You can take more examples, like suppose 4, 8, 4, 8. 48 is divisible by 4. So I can say that the whole number is also divisible by 4. If suppose a number like 5, 6, 7, 0, 1, 2. Is this number divisible by 4 or not? I have to check. Last के two digits को मैं देखूंगी. I have 12 at the end. So I'll compare this number. If this number is divisible by 4, I can say that entire number is divisible by 4. So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Yes, 12 comes in the table of 4. Means the entire number is divisible by 4. So are you clear? It's so simple. You just have to check the last two digits as you were checking for divisibility by 2, 10 and 5. Now we will move on to test of divisibility by 6. This is a simple test. If the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then it is divisible by 6. For suppose if I say a number divisible by a number like 6, 3, 8. This number, it is divisible by 2, right? Because it has even number at the end. So it is divisible by 2. Now if this number is divisible by 3, then I can say that this number is divisible by 6 also, right? So tell me 3 के लिए what are the checks or what are the tests to check the divisibility of 3? Add this all the numbers. So 6 plus 3 plus 8. 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 8. 8 plus 8 16 and this 1 gives me 17. 7 plus 1 gives me 8. So I have 8. Is 8 divisible by 3? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. I don't get 8 anywhere, right? So it is not divisible by 3. So it is not divisible by 3, so it is not divisible by 6 also. So test of divisibility by 6. What are the conditions? The number, that is it should be divisible by 2 as well as 3. So can you see over here? Not only या तो 2 या तो 3. I have not told that or. It is as well as. Means it is a compulsion that it should be divisible by 2 also and 3 also, like previous example. If suppose the number is like 6, 4, 2, 1 and 8. This is the number given to you. Now tell me, is this number divisible by 6 or not? First we will check the divisibility by 2. So we will see the last number. At the end I have 8. 8 is divisible by what? 8 comes in the table of 2, right? So 8 is divisible by 2. So I can say that yes, this number is divisible by 2. Now if this number is also divisible by 3, then I can say that this number is divisible by 6. By just telling that this number is divisible by 2, I cannot say that this number is divisible by 6 also. It may not be divisible by 3. Now the second condition. First condition satisfied. It is divisible by 2. Now we have to check the second condition, that is it should be divisible by 3 also. So we will add this number, that is 6 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 8. Add them all. 6 plus 4 gives me 10. 10 plus 2, 12 plus 1, 13. So I get 13 plus 8. So I'll get 9, 10 and 11. So 1 over here, 1 over here. I'll get what? 21. Now I have to check whether this 21 is divisible by 3 or not. Still 2-digit number. Now I will make it a 1-digit number. Add them also. 2 plus 1 comes to what? 3. So is 3 divisible by 3? The second condition, right? 3 के लिए हम check कर रहे हैं. So is 3 divisible by 3? 3 ones are 3. So yes, 3 is divisible by 3. So it is also divisible by 3. So I can say that this number, that is 64, 21, 8 is divisible by 2 and 3. Look at the words 2 and 3. It is not 2 or 3. एक condition नहीं satisfy करनी चाहिए. दोनों का condition satisfy किया, then it will be divisible by 6. So this number, it fulfills the first condition, that is it is divisible by 2, and also the second condition which says that this number is divisible by 3 also. So I can say that this entire number is also divisible by 6. So this number is divisible by 6. So are we clear with the first divisibility, which is 4, in which we have to check the last two numbers. If the last two numbers are divisible by 4, then the entire number is divisible by 4. I have two examples over here. Then the second, which is divisible by 6, divisibility by 6. Simple as that. 2 से check करना है, which we have already studied how to check a number's divisibility by 2. 2 से check करना है, 3 से check करना है. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then I can say that the number is divisible by 6 also.